Hey y'all, we are we are here at Target, so y'all can see. Yes. So I am here with my day one. Day one. Hey, Jessica. And you know I gotta have my Clementine, the horse in the house. Yes, goes everywhere I go. So we can go in here to Target to see what's really going on with this hair care stuff, because we understand that the prices. Yes, I'm checking the street. I'm not gonna get hit talking to y'all. Love you, but so we can go in here and see what's really going on in terms of these products being marked down, if our people are getting the shelf space, because I understand that a lot of people are impacted by this DEI stuff. I ain't saying I'm buying anything, but I'm just on being nosy on the low. So talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, we over here in the women's section of Target, and they have the sign for Black History Month. I'm gonna flip this around so y'all can see what they have. So you see how they have the sign? So they do have some items here for Black History Month. It's not as much as they've had in the past, because Target used to really be that girl as it came to Black History fashion. You could always find some really cute pieces to wear, but it's definitely less than they've had in the past. Yeah, it's really small. Yeah. So kind of disappointed about that, but what can we expect, right? Say hi, Jessica Cookie Heart. Hello. Yes, but yeah. Okay, so this is our first stop in here. We'll let you guys know what else is going on. Well, they still in Target. They do have the Black and Bold coffee here. Not too big of a selection, but this is what they have. And we're gonna keep you guys with us as we move around the store. All right, we were looking for the Ghetto Gastro tarts or toaster tarts, and they don't have them here. So that's something to think about too. I don't know if they ever had them or if they were removed from shelves, but they have a lot of Kellogg's Pop Tarts here. Just saying. All right, you guys, we are here in the beauty aisle, and this is what we see. Yeah. Yeah, I hope these are empty because they're selling so well, not because they're not ordering the inventory. Yeah. This is what they have for the lip bar. So once again, I hope that the shelves look like this because sisters have been supporting these sisters out here, and not because the inventory hasn't been ordered. All right, everybody, we're here now in the hair aisle. So I'm gonna film and let you guys see what I see. And the Shea Moisture, and we know that that's not Black owned anymore. This is what we have in this section. Camille Rose, yes, their products are amazing. And then you have, oh, Taraji P. Henson. Yeah, there's some products that are missing here. Carol's Daughter. Dang, I remember when Carol's used to be on the top shelf. Now they moved her down to the bottom almost. Rizzo's curls. But yeah, some of these shelves are looking kind of sparse. Oh, and this is the designer stuff over here, but I'm not really pressed about this. So, yep. Okay, you're fine. TGIN. They've got a presence, curls. Yep, so this is what it's looking like. And some can too, got everything. But I don't know if that's black. I don't know if that's black owned or black used at this point. But yeah, there's some gaps in here, y'all. I don't see the sale signs that people were talking about last week and they were showing on TikTok. So I don't know if they were just clearing out last year's inventory and ordering new inventory in. But yeah, there's still some sizable gaps. So like I said, I hope it's due to folks buying the products and that there's inventory being ordered, not that the company has stopped supporting these black and brown creators.
Hello.
All right, I found one more when I went around the corner.
Hello.
This is a black owned company, so yep. So I just want to let you guys know what's going on with this creator too. Okay. Hey everybody. Okay, we've been inside of Target. You can see for yourself what's really kind of going on inside of some of these stores. In some cases, they don't even carry some of the well-known brands in there that are black and brown owned. Not to say that I know the whole list, but some of the ones that I was used to seeing, they're not carrying it in this particular store. Some of the shelves are sparsely stocked. Some cases products are not there. And like I said, I'm hoping that they're not there because people have bought them out, not because they're choosing not to support black and brown and women and the LGBTQ plus community. So we're only, y'all, we still in January. Can you believe it? And all of this is still going on. But yeah, that's kind of my review. There's still stuff that's missing. I don't know if it's going to get any, I don't think that it's going to get any better because companies are stripping away the DEI initiatives on a daily basis. You're always hearing about new companies that are dropping that. But I'm hoping that because people aren't spending lots of money in Target as it relates to items that are not black, brown, women, supported by BTQ plus, oh my God, tongue twister, that, you know, they will come out of this and get back to the Target that we kind of knew. Like I said, as it relates to the clothes, the section wasn't as large as it was last year. We knew that, right? Some of the supporters that we were used to seeing there are not there anymore. So Jessica Cookie Heart, what do you think? What's your assessment?
I was in the culinary section and I was looking for Tabitha Brown seasoning. They don't have any of her seasoning on any of the shelves. There's nothing. Then I was looking for the Gastro Pop-Tarts. Don't chop me up if I'm not saying it correctly.
Ghetto Gastro? Yeah,
Ghetto Gastro Pop-Tarts. I wanted to try the strawberry flavor and I wanted to try the chocolate. They're not even carrying them anymore. And about a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago, I came actually to this Target here in the Forestville, Maryland area. They had them, so I said, okay, next time I'll come back, I'll try them. They're completely off the shelves. They don't even have a label on the shelves that say or indicate that they have them in stock or that they're going to replenish them in stock. So that was a little disappointing for me. As far as the Black History section for the clothes, they had a limited selection of items. I wasn't impressed, honestly. The only thing that I saw that grabbed my attention was this Little Women Leader Black History book that talks about influential Black women leaders, that's actually written by a Black author herself.
All right, support.
So I picked up this book for my 6-year-old. But besides that, nothing to run home about. Actually, it was shocking to see the lack of support, for Black-owned businesses, Black and brown. I wasn't thoroughly impressed. But we'll see what happens next month.
And with that is the post. Until next time, peace and take care of yourselves. Love you. Mwah.